Guys, we need to have a serious conversation about the $99 guy. Stay tuned. So we are back with some more great tips for you on how to overcome the $99 guy. Now, this is part 2, by the way. If you haven't seen part 1, right after this video, go ahead and watch that because we got a lot of great things on there. We talked about the importance of target marketing and how image is king. Quality of equipment, that's something that is going to be a difference maker for sure. And then finally, in that episode, we talked about how 5-star positive reviews, man, really and truly separate you from that $99 guy. Now, before we get into today's video, I wanted to make a quick announcement because a couple of days ago, I put out a video where I talked about a giveaway that we're doing. We are giving a free business in a box to our 250th member. We're only a few members away now from that, so make sure you sign up. For those of you who don't know, we have memberships here on the channel and we have a lot of content. Actually, we have around 20 videos already that are for members only. Like a lot of you guys asked me about my episode 56 and why you can't find it. It's because it's a members only episode. In that episode, we break down for you a step-by-step tutorial on how to optimize your Google My Business. So anyway, there's a lot of advantage to being a member of the Mr. Bubbles channel. One of the things that all the members love is our private Facebook group. We're really building a very unique community where it's supportive and we a lot of network going on as well. But anyway, so the membership is through YouTube. There's 2 ways to sign up. I have the link in the description of my video, but then also right here, right below this video, there's a join button. It's $5 a month, guys. I say this all the time. That's your tuition to the Mr. Bubbles Academy because we are building a pressure washing trade school for you guys. So make sure you guys sign up because you might get that free business in a box. So let's go ahead and jump into today's episode. Number 5 on the list. You got to remember, we're talking about how to overcome the $99 guy. Number 5 on the list, I got customer service. Okay, so here's the deal. I talk a lot about customer service here on the channel. As a matter of fact, I'll put up here for you the thumbnail because we've already done a deep dive into this. We talked about the top 10 things if you want to learn how to run exceptional customer service. So I recommend you guys search that video out, take a lot of notes because it's a lot of great information on there. But for the purposes of today's video, we're going to be talking about the 4 basic things that you need to master in order to have exceptional customer services in your company. Number 1, you got to make sure you pick up the phone. Here's the bottom line with that, guys. We live in an era where it's all about that instant gratification, right? So somebody calls you because they have a question and they want an answer to that question. If you don't pick up the phone, they're going to call the next guy, the next guy, the next guy until somebody picks up the phone and gives them that answer to that question. Okay, you guys got that? So you got to make sure you're picking up the phone. Number 2, you have to make sure once you sign a customer up that you show up on time. It's very unprofessional and also disrespectful for you to have a customer waiting on you. Make sure you guys are showing up on time for your jobs. Number 3 is making sure that you're just friendly. Like, be polite to people and friendly, smile. That's always going to attract you towards people because people are drawn to people who smile a lot and who are positive, and then they stay away like a plague, towards people that are very negative and very off-putting. So make sure you guys are polite to people out there out in the field. And finally, quality work. Like, you're not going to get very far anyway, guys, when you're trying to build your pressure washing business if you're not doing quality work out there. That's why I always tell you guys, make sure you watch all of my videos because I have a lot of system type things for you guys. Like we just got done through our downstreaming series where we talk about a lot of techniques on there. So you guys need to make sure you do a deep dive. One of the things that I recommend you do is before you leave every job or before you go get the customer, do multiple walks around. Make sure everything is top notch because this is going to lead you to getting like a lot of organic type of customers. Because guys, let's be real here for a second. Who the heck is going to recommend you if you're doing crappy work out there? And this is one of those things that is really, really going to be huge in separating you from that $99 guy. Number 6 on our list, we got the power of networking. Wow. Besides customer service and how to get customers, I think this is the thing I talk the most here on the Mr. Bubbles channel. We talk about this a lot, the power of networking. And the reason for that being is it was something that really elevated my company. Also, one of the biggest regrets that I have in my journey was that I didn't understand the importance and the power of networking. So it's not something I started doing until year number 7 or 8 for me. And I often think back on my journey, like how much better my company and stronger it would be today if I had started this in year 4, 5, and 6. Because, wow, it really makes that difference for you. You're networking with a lot of professionals within several different industries. One of the examples I often give, the Chamber of Commerce. Guys, I highly recommend you sign up for your Chamber of Commerce because, well, they have a lot of events that you can go to. We just went to an event about 3 weeks ago. And as a matter of fact, guys, we got an event coming up on August 9th. It's an expo. Like we got our own booths. It's a business expo that's being hosted by the Chamber of Commerce. They're expecting thousands of people there. That's the type of event you want to go to. In some of these events, I've met judges, politicians. I just met our local mayor last year at one of the events. You meet other successful entrepreneurs like yourself. So you want to make sure that you guys are going to these networking events because it's really, really going to elevate your business to the next level. And let's be real here for a second, guys. The $99 guy, he's running a sprint, not a marathon. He's not invested. He's not investing in himself and his business. He's just looking to make a quick buck. So you make sure that you are focusing on these things because these things that we're talking about, like the Chamber of Commerce, guess what? It's only $350 a year. Now, it might be a little bit more or less depending on your area. But guys, we're talking about things that are not very expensive to do that make a big difference. It's all about investing in yourself, in your own development, and networking with other people is going to help you tremendously. Put a gigantic gap between you and that $99 guy. Now, before we get into number 7, guys, let me talk to you real quick about my business in a box. Guys, quick announcement. I've created a digital product called Mr. Bubbles Business in a Box. Check this out. Okay, so the Mr. Bubbles Business in a Box is actually a thumb drive that we're going to send to you guys to your physical address. And when you get this thumb drive, you're going to see a folder that's called Box in it. And then when you open it, you're going to see all of these files right here, guys, all of these folders. And guys, this thing has over 500 files, anything and everything I've ever created from my business. So all of the blueprints, training modules, documents, all of the things that you guys constantly email me about, you know, your pricing PDF, your for example, you know, your marketing blueprints, anything that you could need for your business is in here. That's why we call it a business in a box. One of the things that I really like about this is, guys, check out all of these pictures. So you have a total of 300 before and after pictures that you guys can add to your website and your Facebook and your Google My Business. And check this out. So there's a folder called Google SEO. And the pictures already have the SEO words in them. And this one photo right here has over 300. This specific folder has 190 pictures, but all in all, it's over 300 pictures. Look at some of these pictures, guys. Amazing before and after pictures for you guys to be able to add to all of your social medias and whatnot. This is going to help you get a lot of customers. And of course, your edible postcards are on here. And then finally, you got training videos on here as well, guys. Like, for example, the video on how to optimize your Google My Business, the Mr. Bubbles. You got several videos. So they're like training modules. You got all the PDFs. The bottom line, guys, is this. This is going to help you with your business. So don't miss out. make sure that you email us so you can get your business in a box today. In order to get your business in a box, you just got to hit the link in the description of this video. And I say this all the time on the channel, guys. The more you know, the more you grow. That's how come I decided to create this business in a box, because it has everything in there you need to be able to grow your business. And I really believe that this is going to be a game changer for you. Guys, you do not want to miss out on this one. Moving right along, number 7, we're talking about go small, grow big. Let me repeat that for you. Go small, grow big. The issue here is a lot of you guys are trying to move too fast. You're trying to grow a multi-million-dollar company overnight, and that simply is not going to happen. Guys, the bottom line is this. The road to success is paved with failure. It's a constant process of falling down, getting back up, falling down, getting back up. In experiencing that pain, you grow. And this is the secret to why some people succeed while others do not. And you know, the bottom line here is what I'm trying to get you guys to understand the most is that there is absolutely no shortcut to success. So take baby steps. One of my favorite sayings here on the Mr. Bubbles channel is you have to grow your business before you grow your equipment. I've seen a lot of people, new guys, they come into the business, they buy expensive rigs, $20,000, $30,000 units. And then they get out there. They don't know anything about customer service, don't know anything about getting customers or how to run a business. And then boom, they fail within a year or two. And this is, I want you guys to understand this simple concept. The $99 guy, he is in it for that sprint. He just wants to make money very quickly. He's not focused on the future. You guys are building something where there's longevity in it, right? You're building something that is going to provide financial freedom for yourself, for your family, for generations to come. So build it the right way. That's why I want you guys to take baby steps. Because guys, you know, the amount of money that you make is nothing but a reflection of the different skill sets that you have, right? So it takes anywhere between 1 to 3 years to become a master at something. Okay. You guys got that? But you can develop 1 to 3 skills per year, and you're going to need about 12 fundamental skills in order for you to make a lot of money. And when I say a lot of money, you know, 6 figures, $100,000 and up. So you're going to need things like financial management, customer service, people skills, and the list goes on. But take baby steps, you know, learn, you know, that's why here in the Mr. Bubbles channel, I recommend you guys go back, watch a lot of my content, because guys, in every single one of my episodes, there is a gold nugget in there that is going to help you become stronger and help you on this journey of growth in terms of becoming a successful entrepreneur. So I want you guys focusing on that is you do step 1, then step 2, then step 3, then step 4. Do everything properly, build it properly, and then you're going to go very far, because again, the $99 guy, he's not focused on any of that. He just wants money. You have to focus not on money, but on building your business the right way. Number 8 on my list. In the same vein with that, we got be knowledgeable. Okay? Be knowledgeable. Here's something that I've noticed through the years. You know, one of the things that separates us from other companies is, you know, we have knowledgeable people out in the field, people that know what they're doing. That's why I in a big way, actually, is why I decided to build this Mr. Bubbles channel and put out these videos for you guys, so you guys can learn from our experiences, right? That's why I talk so much about systems. For example, you know, you can go back in all of my videos and you can learn different systems, different techniques that are going to help you, you know, perform at a tremendous rate out in the field. Because at the end of the day, guys, you know, people, consumers out there, they want to hire an expert. They want to hire a professional. So when you go out there, you know, you look like a professional. That's why we talked about image is king. But then you got to follow that up with actual, you know, doing quality work out there. We talked about that in customer service, and being knowledgeable, whether you're talking like one of the things I talk to you guys a lot about when we're talking, soft washing, roof washing, understanding how to diagnose what the issue is. Is it lichen bacteria? Is it mold? Is it mildew? Is it moss? Being able to communicate those things to your customer is very important. And on the other side of that is being knowledgeable about your equipment and the maintenance side of the business. Again, your $99 guy, he's working with, a Home Depot / Low units, Ryobi, your Simpsons, your Craftsman. He's out there doing pressure washing. He doesn't know anything about rust removal or soft washing, has no clue what downstreaming is. Guys, he's out there pressure washing using ladders and whatnot. You want to make sure that you are nothing like that guy. Nothing like that guy. We just finished, I mentioned the downstreaming series. We just finished that. In that series, we teach you guys how to make your own chemical. We teach you all kinds of different processes out in the field. The 3 techniques, just go back and watch that. If you've already seen it, watch it again. Go out in the field and practice. And I say this all the time about knowledge, guys. Knowledge without application, doesn't mean anything. You need to go out there. Everything that you learn here on the Mr. Bubbles channel and other channels, you need to go out there and practice it, and then you're going to succeed. Guys, success is nothing but think of it like you're just postponing it. You're going step by step by step, and down the line, you're going to be able to achieve it. Because how do I know? I know because if you guys are following all of these blueprints that I'm telling you, because all the things that I'm bringing to you guys, they're not some theoretical nonsense that I read somewhere. These are things that I've lab tested. I've done over and over and over and over and over again through the years. Most of which I learned by doing it the wrong way first to bring you guys the great information. And if you guys are very knowledgeable in your craft, this is going to put, guys, a chasm, the size of, oceans apart from you and that $99 guys. And I really want you to focus on that because guys, you know this, the number one purpose, the number one reason why I do the Mr. Bubbles channel is to help you grow your business. And that's all I got for you guys today. I really appreciate you coming to the channel and watching this How to Overcome the $99 Guy video. Highly recommend you watch the next one as well. Guys, in the next episode, we're going to be talking about something that is near and dear to my heart, and it's this. I'm going to give you guys my tips and tricks for you to be able to quit your job within the next year in order to become a full-time washer. So make sure you stay tuned in for that. And I mention this in every single one of my videos. Make sure you email me because I have some great free resources for you, like the marketing blueprint for new guys, the pricing PDF. A lot of you guys are still goofing up on your pricing. I'll send you this 2-page PDF. It's going to make that problem go away, and then you will be able to be an expert out there when it comes to pricing. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bubbles out.